Before installation of the hydrated lime ball press, the pipeline should be laid in strict accordance with the electrical code, and the strong current and weak current signal lines should be isolated and worn to avoid interference. In addition, additional attention should be paid to the following precautions. Power supply. In order to ensure the normal operation of the hydrated lime ball press, the power supply should not be lower than the nominal value of the input voltage of the ball press. 2. Earthing. The earthing of hydrated lime ball press is mainly divided into shell earthing and inter-electrical leakage. Outdoor ball machine is also specially equipped with external lightning protection measures. 3. Ground loop. Even if the equipment is effectively grounded, there are differences in the zero potential of different positions between the ball press and the central equipment, and power load is unbalanced, which will still cause the grounding potential difference. 4. Waterproof. Outdoor ball press installation must do waterproof treatment. For suspension installation, there is a gap between the ball press and the bracket.